Here's where you can find the pocket mode, which is a prevention mistouch or accidental touch on your lock screen, preventing your phone from thinking it's trying to be unlocked here. So this is called pocket mode on Xiaomi phones, and here's where you can go to find it. With HyperOS 2, your Redmi Note phone here, you'll go ahead into the quick access, tap on settings, and once here, you can use the search settings and type in the words pocket. Just go ahead and type that in, pocket, and you'll see pocket mode appear here, okay? And that's gonna be found under the lock screen settings. So it'll be under lock screen and it'll take you right there where it says others and you'll see it here. And that's gonna prevent accidental touches or mistouch prevention. So once your phone is in your pocket or in your purse for the ladies and you accidentally touch the area where you would swipe up or wake up your phone, it's gonna prevent that from happening in terms of making it think that it's trying to unlock, which, as you know, some phones, when you attempt to unlock it many times and it fails, it'll probably factory reset your phone, like and so.